Hello everyone, welcome to the Nick Tech Show. As you can tell, we have kind of changed a little bit. I have been working on some new sets and different things, and going to be changing the channel up a little bit. So hope you guys like this. We're actually going back in the day whenever I used to do personal videos about almost everything. And then I got into product reviewing and kind of stayed away from that. So right now, you're going to see a lot of me now, and you're going to see the products as well and everything. So yeah, we're going to kind of try some different things this year. I know I haven't uploaded in maybe 3 months or so, but that is going to be changing soon, because I do got a line of products that I might be reviewing for you guys. So yeah, let's get started today. But the idea with the Nick Tech Show is I'm going to be able to do a bunch of more videos throughout maybe the week. It's not really a set schedule I'm not coming up with. It's just going to, when I get something, I might make a video and might upload it. Just kind of like last time, and I noticed last time it worked a little bit, and then when I went to the schedule, I always tried to get something made, and it wasn't my best of work or anything. So that's why I decided to kind of change things and go back to the original way it was. Today we are actually going to be looking at a router. I'm going to be unboxing a Card King router. I decided to pick this up because I did get it on a special. I decided to pick it up just to see how it was, because the interesting thing about these routers, yes, they may be good, but you don't get the support that you do with, like, if you go with Netgear, Linksys, and all that. So I was kind of curious to see how well this works. I actually used to use one from Anchor that worked pretty well, but then they start supporting it because of some of the exploits, and they just never made updates. That is one of the issues with a non-name brand router, is not getting those security updates that you need to keep your network protected. So if you're going to be using this for a business, I'd highly not recommend getting one of these. For typical home use and everything, you should be fine. Yes, those exploits are out there, but typically if you're using it in a home setting, people aren't going to try to get into your network, typically, only to get free Wi-Fi if you leave your Wi-Fi open. But you should be safe if you use it for home use. But I'm still curious and see how well this works. So this is actually the AC1200, their doorband router from Card King. From just the name, I guess you can kind of say it represents them for making wireless routers. Just kind of an odd brand name. But it has 4 external antennas. It has also another thing to note, this is about a $45 router. So you're not going to get gigabit Ethernet ports on it. So that is something that's kind of a disappointment, because most AC routers nowadays have gigabit Ethernet ports. So it has four regular Ethernet ports, and then it has your WAN port. And since this is an AC router, it does have the 2.4 gigahertz frequency and the 5 gigahertz frequency. So yeah, let's get started with the unboxing. So we're going to open this up, and we are actually greeted with a network cable, which almost all routers do come with a network cable nowadays. We got a user manual. One thing that's also a little interesting is you get a 2-year warranty with this router, and you also get support, a technical support number you can call, which I might call, see how good the support is. I don't know yet. But from what I've read, the support isn't that good. In the mystery box, we get a power adapter. Just your typical power adapter. So that's okay. And then we have the star of the show. As you guys realize, you don't have to install the antennas. They're already on the router itself. And then this is the router. Overall, first impressions, it feels like a cheap router. The cheap router, it's got the cheap plastic. Also hear some rattling in it. So I don't know if that's if that's good or bad. But you got your 4 antennas that you'd use for your broadcast. I'm guessing 2 of them are for 2.4 and 2 of them are for 5 gig frequency. And then on the back you have your WAN port and then your 4 Ethernet ports. So that's kind of a disappointment that this is not gigabit, because my network at home is all gigabit now. Well, I say all gigabit, it's all ran with gigabit in mind. All I have to do is upgrade some network cards and everything's ready to go on my network. So this is going to be interesting to kind of use. I might just use it as a repeater and not as a router, because my network's set up that way. But I haven't really found out which way I'm going to really test it, because you can also use it as a repeater or a router. The curious thing also that I found in the instruction manual, it talks about a smart app that you download for your iOS. So similar to like the Netgear Genie app, this one has a similar app that I guess you can use to change the settings and everything. So that is kind of interesting to see. But overall, the router does, if you're just getting one, they also advertise it for gaming and everything on Amazon. So I don't know how well that really is. This is not wall mountable, so that's kind of a disappointment. It would have been nice to see for them to add ability to mount it to a wall. But I guess with the antennas, you kind of have to have them like this or so if you want to mount it to a wall. So it would have been nice to see that. On the back of the router, it does show you the password, admin, and then the address 192.168.0.1. So at least that's the same. It's not anything different. Like I would have expected it to not be similar, since it's actually one that was basically imported from China, that is basically made, and the company is located in China. But overall, it just feels like a cheap router. It may or may not be good. I really don't know. Honestly don't know. I used one, like I said, I used one from Anchor, and it worked actually pretty good. So it's going to be interesting to see if they give you like same features that you get from like a normal router, from like Netgear and all that. If they give you like port forwarding or port filtering. See if they give you a firewall option. So it's just going to be interesting to see if they offer that. And hopefully, I'm still going to do some digging around and see if they're going to be able to have the ability to update the firmware to keep those security updates. And if so, if the firmware on this router has any existing exploits. So yeah, that's all I can really say right now for this router. If you are wanting to pick one up, I will leave a link down below where you can pick it up. But if you are just kind of looking for a decent router, I would say this might do the trick. But if you want to find out if this is, I will have a review of me reviewing this up sometime. I don't know when, but sometime. That's part of the reason why I switched to the Nick Tech Show, where I can do different kinds of videos, and videos that I like to do, videos that can work on any different levels of tech. Like you might even get some how-to videos. I don't really know, but so far this is how the format's gonna go, and I'm gonna work on different sets and everything. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in the next one.